Alright, we're doing boiled corn, and yeah, don't feel bad for searching it. You know, it happens to the best of us. Well, not really. But anyway, shuck your corn, do it outside, do it over a paper bag, do it something like that. Give it a good rub down, get all the hair off of it. Yeah, then salt your water. It should taste like the ocean because the ocean is cool and people like beaches. Stick your corn in, don't hesitate, put it in there, 5 minutes. Any more than 5 minutes and you're gonna ruin it. 4 minutes works, there, 5 minutes, got it? There. Now keep your water boiling, you know, there you go. See how it's good? Yeah, bright yellow, it's good to go. Yes, it is. Oh, is he making toast? No, I'm not making toast, and there is a reason why I violated that corn. Now, you're gonna take the bread, you're gonna put some butter on it, and you're gonna go in a nice up and down motion while rotating your corn, and that's gonna give you a perfectly buttered corn on the cob. Can you believe it? And then once you're done with that, you know, some people, I didn't stick it in further enough. Some people have those little things they put in the end of the corn. I don't, that's a waste of money. But yep, and then you're gonna season your corn with just a little bit of salt. There you go. And then a little bit of pepper. Yeah, and then you're gonna rotate it and do it again. But yeah, those little things they put on the end of the corn, those really aren't worth it. And they're always in your drawers taking up space. So yeah, enjoy your corn. No judgment on the Google.